Hi, I'm attorney Jim Desmond. I've been handling car wrecks in Kentucky and Indiana for over 25 years now. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that's a popular misconception. Basically, I see that's kind of perpetuated or, yeah, perpetuated through the TV advertisers. Even though I do a little TV advertising, I hope it doesn't come off this way. If you want to understand the secret sauce to a personal injury claim, especially a car wreck, you need to understand it's not what the TV guys are telling you. Everybody wants to make it sound like, oh, because of the size of our firm, because of what we recovered in the past. Okay, this is, insurance companies are afraid of us. It doesn't work that way. Okay, I'll be honest with you, it doesn't work that way. The secret sauce to any good car wreck claim is the facts of the accident. They make a huge difference, okay? Because again, start with the easy. Does it show a scratch? Or does it look like basically you shouldn't have walked away from it? Obviously, if it looks like you shouldn't have walked away from it, no one's going to have any issues believing that you were injured, okay? Or did a little old lady hit you by accident or her foot slip off the pedal? Or was the guy drunk and he basically totaled your car? Either one. You see what I'm saying? There's a big difference. I'm saying, obviously, the drunk driver, there's a big difference. That case is going to be worth more. It's the facts of the accident that really count more than how big a firm is or where they practice or what they've recovered in the past. Because again, if you have a good car wreck attorney who knows how to basically illustrate those facts to the insurance company and push them, and say, hey, these are our facts and our jury's going to be persuaded by it, that's what carries the weight. Okay. Now, one reason I want to stress one other little point to you on the facts. There's a reason that I use this thing, the cell phone, for everything. Because again, I want to evaluate the facts as an experienced car wreck attorney, not a case manager, not a paralegal, not a secretary. All right. You should be dealing with your attorney directly. If it's not me, then make sure you still deal with your attorney directly and that they do a lot of car accident cases. It's that simple. If you got a further question, by all means, give me a call. This cell phone number is listed right here below. It's 502-609-7657. If you like the video, do me a favor, share it with people, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your comments. Let me know if you actually like what we're talking about. Thank you again for taking the time to listen to this. Jim Desmond, car wreck attorney in Louisville, Kentucky. Thanks again.